first of all, with your material, you need to skip 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, and you will start your first crochet in this 3rd stitch. So first of all, I'm gonna do double crochet, as I think this is the best. So you go in and you do your 2 loops, and so you keep on, instead of going on to the next block, you keep your crochets in this 1st or 3rd stitch. So that's 2, I will do 5, so that's 3. Obviously the larger or more width you want on your shells, you can change this, but I think the best is 5 in one stitch. So this is the 5th. So I've done that first shell here, but now you need to do a single a chain stitch. Then you skip 3 again, so 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to do a single crochet in that one, like so it goes over like that. Then I'll do just a chain stitch again, and then skip 3 again, and then do the double crochet in here, and we're going to do another 5. There. So I've just been able to do only 2 because this is a really small piece of fabric, but this is what it will end up looking like, and on some other pieces it will look like the previous photos, as a really nice frill for the end of for these circumstances of skirt. I got some YouTube videos coming out soon of the skirts and how to make these skirts, which will be exciting, but this is how to make the frill.